Welcome, and thanks for joining this presentation. In this demo, we'll go through the configuration required to automate exception handling for false positives. FortiWeb's automation feature simplifies the process of adding exceptions to whitelist certain signatures that generate false positives. This is especially beneficial in dynamic environments where manually addressing every false positive is impractical. In our user scenario, we have an e-commerce platform that's encountering frequent false positives for HTTP constraint attacks because of a specific API endpoint. Exception test, which handles large requests from a particular group of users. To address this, the security team opts to use FortiWeb's automation feature. This allows them to automatically add exceptions for these false positives, ensuring legitimate traffic is allowed through while preserving overall security. In this video, we will be setting up trigger detection on the FortiWeb and actions to be configured in the FortiWeb. So let's get started. Step 1 is to create an HTTP constraint log trigger. Navigate to Security Fabric Automation and create a new automation trigger. Enter a name and select the FortiWeb event log and set the filters. Next step is to create a CLI script action to add exceptions. By creating a new automation action, enter an exception name and enter the CLI script. The third step is to create a Microsoft Team notification action. Enter the name of the notification, the URL notification details, the message type text or JSON and the message, and click OK. If you want a Jira notification, follow the same steps and select Jira notification. Enter the Jira details such as account, token, URL, and the message and click OK. The next step is for stitch creation by entering the name, setting to enable, setting the trigger and actions, and proceeding. For the final step test, the Teams and Jira notifications received when stitch occurs.